In this video, we're going to take a look at an implicit differentiation problem. We're going to take the derivative here of y with respect to x, which means that we're going to have a chain rule every time we take the derivative with our y terms. Okay, so when we start here, we're going to take this e to the y, we're going to take the derivative like normal and then include a chain. So we'll have an e to the y times a y prime. This x is just a term in terms of x, so we will just take the derivative like normal there, so we will have a 1. Then we've got another y term, so when we take the derivative of y, we will have a 1, and then we'll throw in the chain, which is the y prime. All right, our goal here then would be to solve for a y prime. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract y prime from both sides. I'll have an e raised to the y times that y prime minus a y prime is equal to 1. I want to solve for y prime, so I'm going to factor out the y prime. That'll leave me with an e to the y minus 1. Solving for y prime, I'm going to divide both sides by e to the y minus 1. So we'll have a y prime is equal to a 1 over e to the y minus 1. Okay, now, straightforward implicit differentiation problem. Now, just one note here, whenever I do implicit differentiation, I always do this y prime notation, all right, as opposed to the dy over dx notation. A lot of other people and a lot of other videos and things out on the internet will not use the y prime here, but putting in the fraction to me just is a little bit more cluttered. This y prime notation is the exact same thing and just kind of cleans the problem up. Definitely, thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so they can benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.